all-new CFMOTO UForce 1000. And of course, we had to completely thump this thing out. It's got our 3-inch lift kit, it's got our front bumper, it's got our headache rack, it's got our Nerf Rails, back bumper. Let's take a walk around, show you just how clean and thumping this thing is. This front bumper fits this machine like a glove. Sleek design, customizable accent panel. Tucked behind there is your light bar, so you're gonna be able to light everything up in your way. CNC laser cut, winch ready, so we had to throw the winch on here. Massive D-rings, protects your machine, and it's gonna help you get out of any bind you come across. Take that big step up with our CForce 1000 Nerf Rails. Keep those jugs secured with our all-new utility jug holder. CFMOTO rear bumper, CNC laser cut, winch ready, throw your winch on there, massive D-rings, beautiful welds, quad row 3-inch flush mount cubes. You can wire this up to where you throw it in reverse, it's gonna light everything up your way. Still is gonna be able to tilt your bed, all while looking good and protecting your machine. UForce 1000 rear headache rack. It's got your winch up top. You can also mount some light cubes up here. Molly design in the middle. You can customize this to the color of your liking. Fix the machine, protects the machine, and it's gonna help you up top if you get in a bind. So if you wanna find out ways to thump out your CFMOTO, check us out, thumperfab.com. I'll see you on the trails.